This video is an instructional video on how to do horizontal figure eights. Hi, my name is Jessie and I am delving into the belly dancing realm, and I want to help you be all the belly dancer that you can be. We can start with the belly dancing posture. You want to have your arms out to the side. The arms are nice and stable. Open, the thumb and first finger are pointed like this. We're going to lift the rib cage, pull the hips in, so kind of pull them in, and then just find a nice happy medium, because we're going to work on segmenting the top and the bottom. We don't want to have them moving at the same time. And with the rib cage lifted and the hips pulled in, that's how we do it. The feet are under the hips. This is the basic belly dancing posture. And for the horizontal circles with the hips, you want to take the right hip and bring it forward using the lower abdomen to do it. Back, kind of making a half circle. Come back to center and then shift the weight to the left. And then just keeping the chest lifted. Come forward, make a semicircle, come back to center, and then to the left. Come forward, make a semicircle, come back. And then just move in a nice fluid motion. To the right, semicircle, to the left. Really working to separate the top and the bottom. Let's try it with some music. Come back to the neutral position if you left it. And we're just going to try to make a figure eight on the floor. So arms are out, hips pulled in, chest is lifted. Use these muscles here to open up the chest. And then just lead with the right hip. The feet are hip distance apart. Go to the right, make a semicircle, and then make the other half of the number 8. And if you're comfortable with it, remembering to activate the lower abdomen as we do it, just shifting the weight. Going with the music. If you're comfortable with it, just bring the arms up. Start working the arms and the hips together. Try to keep the hips level with the ground as you do this. Good job. Keep the head lifted. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and share. Check out the other belly dancing videos on my channel. May love and light be yours. Namaste.